All right, so nouns are people, places, or things. Pronouns are words that can take a noun's place. In other words, a pronoun replaces a noun. So for example, Cesar, what pronoun would replace the noun Carmen?
She.
Perfect. Miguel, what pronoun would replace the noun table?
Table.
Yes,
It.
it. Perfect. Jaime, what pronoun would replace Juan and Carmen?
She, he and she.
Okay, he and she or they.
Oh, they, yeah.
Yeah. What pronoun, Ramon, would replace, if you say Jaime
And Ramon.
and Ramon?
They. He, no, it's him and me, or they, we.
We. Perfect. Yes, sir. We. So when you say Carmen and Juan, they.
Yeah.
Jaime and me, or Jaime and I,
We.
Those are pronouns that replace nouns. Okay? All right. Let's go to the next one. Verbs. Verbs are actions like run, walk, sing, study, buy, talk, swim, be, and have. Now, that's not enough. You need to learn, or actually, you already learned that for the first person singular, we add an S. The first person singular, the third person singular, third person singular is he works, he studies, he walks, he rides his bike to work. Okay? Another thing that you mustn't forget, don't forget, is to say the tense. If you are talking about today, then it's present. If you are talking about yesterday or last week or last year, past tense. What if you're talking about tomorrow? Future.
Will.
Yes, we will. He will. And that's easy because everything is will. I will, you will, we will, they will, he will. It's easy, right? So don't forget that when you're speaking, think about the tense. When are you talking about? Are you talking about yesterday? Then you studied. If you're talking about today, you study. If you're talking about tomorrow, you will study. Okay. And I give you examples here too. My sister jogs. He buys milk once a week. Jane is a teacher. Okay. And then we have here the article so that you can study. Okay. Every day, if it's 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes, read one page so that you don't forget. Okay. I'll give you examples of articles. A puppy, an orange, the books. Okay. And Cesar, in the articles, why do we say an orange?
Because orange start
Vowel. With the sound of a vowel. With the sound of a vowel. Right? Because it's the sound. It's not the vowel. Because remember, some words like this one, honor, doesn't begin with the vowel. It begins with a consonant, but it has the sound. Okay, so we say in honor. Because see, the H is silent, right?
Mhm.
So we say an honor, an apple, an orange, right? That's why, because it begins with the vowel sound. Very good, Cesar, you got it. Vowel is vocal, vowel. And consonant is all the other letters. Okay. Yes, a pineapple, because pineapple doesn't have a vowel sound. It has a consonant sound.
And we use just the A, they started with a mayúscula, and a 3, and a...
Okay. The only reason you begin with a capital letter is when the noun is proper or when you begin a sentence. Okay? That's why we put this one. Pineapple is a fruit. See, here I don't have to do capital. I did capital here.
No, I mean, I say like this. Start with the A with the first letter in the what is that?
Article?
Yeah, it's a mayúscula.
No, it doesn't have to be.
Oh, okay.
See, here's the article.
Okay.
This is a capital letter only because it's the beginning of a sentence. This one and this one are the same. Here, I don't need a capital. Okay, so
Yours when it's-
only when it's the beginning of the sentence.
Okay.
All that will be in the advanced class because it will be a lot of writing. A lot of writing. The rules for capitals, for commas, for all that, okay? All right. So let's, adverbs. Remember adverbs? Adverbs modify verbs. They answer the question how, when, where, and to what extent. So, for example, when we have a verb, let's see, a pronoun, she walks. Do I say slow or slowly? Which one?
Slowly.
Ramon says it slowly. What do you say, Cesar?
She will slowly.
Yes. Okay. But see, there is a reason for that. The reason is that walks is the verb. And we say how. We ask how. Slowly. That's an adverb. We don't say slow because slow is an adjective. Like the slow cat, slow car, slow movie, right? So here we don't need an adjective. Here we need an adverb because adjectives describe nouns. Is this a noun? Is walks a noun?
No.
No, it's a verb. Perfect. Perfect. Boy, oh boy, I'm so proud of you guys. This takes a long time to teach to native speakers. All right. So when you're in doubt, when you don't know, you're not sure, think. Adverbs answer the questions how, slowly, when, daily, every day. Where? At the park. Adverbs describe verbs. They also describe adjectives. And they also describe other adverbs. Review the video where we covered adverbs. Any questions? No? All right. Prepositions. Cesar, make a sentence using a preposition.
Uh, the house is in the beautiful place.
Perfect. Miguel, use a preposition in a sentence.
The sentence.
Yes, use a preposition in a sentence. You make up a sentence.
The car is at the body shop.
Yes, perfect. The car is at. At is the preposition at the body shop. Okay. Jaime, can you make a sentence using a preposition?
The book is over on the table.
On the table. Perfect. Ramon, use a preposition in a sentence.
The cat is in the house.
In the house, yes. In is the preposition. Okay. The TV is across from the coffee table, and the TV is on the table, right? In the corner, next to the couch, behind the couch. The dog is on the rug. Okay? All right. All these things we covered. You learned all these things already. So now you just need to practice, watch the videos, listen to the tracks in your book. This has a lot of good things like idioms, like when pigs fly, things that American people use that sometimes doesn't make any sense to us, but it's what they mean, right? When they say, I'm broke, for example, it doesn't mean that you are broken. It means that you don't have any money. Okay? So all those things are here and they tell you what that means. In Spanish also we use those like ando bruja. And people will say, people who are learning Spanish are going to say, what is that? Bruja is witch. So what does that mean? Well, we understand that means we don't have any money. Okay? In the United States, they also use those phrases like, I'm broke. Okay? That means that doesn't.
Spanish, we use a lot
Idioms.
words, you know.
Yeah. In English too, Jaime. And the way you learn those things is by listening to people at work, because they will use them and ask them, what does that mean? If one says, oh, I can't invite you, I'm broke. You say, what's broke? Did you break your arm? No, broke means no money. Okay? And that's how we learn. We say, what does that mean, broke? Okay? All right. All right, so go to page 7. Okay, number 1, Cesar. What describes a verb?
Yeah. Is a noun?
Nope. What word describes a verb?
What page is it? 7 or 8?
Page 7. Oh. Doesn't matter. See, it says parts of speech at the top, and it has a number 2. And then it has noun, verb, article, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction. And then you're going to choose one of those to answer the question. So, for example, the clue is pista. It's pista. Clue describes a verb. Is it a noun? No. Is it a verb? No. Is it an article? No. Is it an adjective? No. Did you find it, Cesar?
Adverbs?
Uh-huh. It's an adverb. An adverb describes a verb. This is the only word that can describe a verb. Okay, number 2, Miguel.
Is it person, place, or thing? Is a noun?
Perfect. 3, Jaime.
It's an action.
Mm-hmm.
Verb.
Yes. Number 4, Ramon.
Describes
Describes.
a person, place, or things. Noun.
No, well, describes a person, place, or thing is a noun. But what describes a noun?
Adjective.
Yes. Number 5, Cesar.
Going to words or sentence.
Conjunction. Yes, conjunction. Joins 2 words or sentences. It's like saying Cesar and Miguel. Cesar and Jaime. Okay, so and is a conjunction because it's joining 2 words. Okay, where are we? 6, Miguel.
Shows direction, time, or place. Is a preposition.
Yes, sir. Preposition it is. Number 7, Jaime. Includes.
A and article.
Yes, article. All right, so now we go to page number 8. Page number 8. Actually, we're out of time. Let's just do 4. What part of speech is book, Cesar?
Noun.
Yes. Miguel, what part of speech is speak?
Verb.
Yes. Ramon, what part of speech is pink?
Adverb.
Pink. Pink panther. Pink house. Pink car.
Noun. Pronoun. I understand here.
Pink. What is? Yeah. If I say the word pink, what part of speech is it? Is it a noun, an adjective?
Oh, adjective.
It's adjective.
Yeah.
Pink house. Pink car. Jaime, what part of speech is blah, blah, blah. Read?
Read.
Mm-hmm.
Adjective.
Read is a verb.
A verb.
Yes. Okay. So we are done, but before we leave, I'm going to write my email address. And if you have any questions, send me an email and I will try to answer you as quickly as I can. So here's my email address. Carmen _ Hirsch at yahoo.com. And my number is 775 813 5236. So if you have any problems or any questions with all the things that we covered with any of the videos, email me or you can call me. Please do study, cover everything that we did, okay? Because if we have advanced classes in the future, I need you to know what we learned, okay? So practice, practice, practice. Any questions?
No.
No, teacher.
Okay, bye.
Speak English at work.
Speak English at work.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Speak English at work. Ask questions. Ask them to repeat if you need to, okay? You need to speak English at work. Yes? Okay.
Okay, teacher. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you,
Bye.
teacher.
Thank you.